Hello, my name's Dave Rowley. I'm the Training and Technical Support Manager for Dunlop, and here are our top tips for tiling. Okay, once you've actually spread the adhesive out onto the surface, being a wall or floor, in this case we actually are applying the adhesive to the wall, we're going to be fixing, in this particular case, a 600 by 300 porcelain. Now, if I place this towel directly onto the ribs as it stands, you won't get full contact. Now, in wet areas, and in particular in most applications, you need to get a full contact of adhesive on the back of the towel. And if there's any indentation on the back of the towel as well, it's always good practice to what we refer to as back butter, and that's apply a thin layer on the back. Literally, what you can do is by using another trowel, particularly maybe like a mosaic trowel, what you can do is apply an even amount, which one maintains certain alignment as far as flatness when you're fixing towels, but also it just makes it a lot easier to apply by putting a thin layer on the back. You can use a bigger notch trowel, comb that on the back, and then literally using the flat sided trowel. This ensures an even amount to the back of the towel, and then you obviously, following your setting out position, place the towel into position, and because you've now got a thicker bed of adhesive, it allows the towel to be twisted, pushed into position, collapsing the ribs, and ready to go, and repeat this obviously from tile to tile.